Hey there, I'm Emily Champion, a product manager for our messaging API here at Bandwidth. In the past couple of years, a lot has changed in regards to business text messaging, especially if you're using local numbers. Carriers have implemented what is called 10DLC, or 10-digit long code, where they are now requiring all businesses that utilize local numbers for A2P messaging to register their brands and campaigns with the Campaign Registry. With all that is happening around 10DLC, it can be a tough situation to navigate alone, which is why we want to make this registration process as painless as possible for you and your customers. We are offering you the ability to register brands and campaigns within our dashboard and also via API. Whether you're registering through Bandwidth or going directly to the Campaign Registry, we have a few options that you can choose from based on your business and use case. So let's jump in and check out how easy it is to register brands and campaigns, no matter how you register. Scenario 1, registering your brands and campaigns through Bandwidth's dashboard. First, we will need to register your brand. When you log into the dashboard for the first time after campaigns have been enabled on your account, you will click on the Campaigns tab. This will direct you to add info on your company, such as selecting the company type and entering the business address. Next, you will need to choose if you are a reseller or a direct customer. Simply put, you are a reseller if you support multiple customers. If you don't, you're a direct customer with us. Once this brand is created, you can click on the brand details page to see additional details or to apply for external vetting. If you selected reseller, you can now choose to register your customer brands or register a campaign for your brand. Registering your customers' brands will follow the same format as registering your own brand, but without the reseller selection. Now we will register a campaign by clicking on the Campaign sub-tab. The first step is selecting which brand the campaign should be associated with. From there, we will need to select the use case, as well as to provide some sample messages and additional information. A few things to note is that if you select a sole proprietor brand, 1, you will only be able to see those options, and 2, you can only have one sole proprietor campaign on each sole proprietor brand. Next, we will need to add a number to the campaign. Head over to the Numbers tab. From here, we can select a specific TN and scroll down to the A2P section to select which campaign we want that number on. And now you're done. You can start sending messages. Scenario 2 is registering brands/campaigns with TCR and then importing into the Bandwidth dashboard. First, log into the TCR dashboard and then register brands and campaigns with them. If you have additional questions, use TCR's detailed resource page. Now that you've created a campaign in the TCR dashboard, we can add that campaign into Bandwidth. We do have auto import set up for most customers, where the campaign will appear in your dashboard once it has been successfully shared with Bandwidth. You can also manually import campaigns if needed. You would need to add the campaign ID and hit submit. Next, we will need to add a number to the campaign. This will follow the same procedure from the first scenario. You open the Numbers tab, select a specific TN, and scroll down to the A2P section to select which campaign we want that number on. And now you're done. You can start sending messages. We want to help our customers avoid unnecessary carrier surcharge fees and penalty fees. If you have any additional questions regarding 10DLC, please don't hesitate to reach out to our messaging experts. We are here to help you and your customers.